Hi, I am Vijay Kumar Gupta from Economics Study Capital. In this video, you will watch 20 multiple choice questions which are very important for all students. These questions are related to Indian economy. If you are students of economics or preparing the competition examinations like UPSC, SSC, Railway, Bank, State Public Service Commission, UGC NET, etc., these questions will help you a lot. Here you can assess yourself with countdown timer. You may pause the video and give answer before the display the right answer. So please watch this video complete. And if you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. First question of this video is non-institutional sources of credit are associated with. Options are A. Money lenders, B. Landlords, C. Commission agents, and D. All of the above. Right answer of this question is all of the above. Second question of this video is which of the following period is known as Golden Revolution? Options are A. 1951 to 2014, B. 1966 to 1970, C. 2000 to 2017, and D. 1991 to 2003. Right answer of this question is 1991 to 2003. Third, which one of the following is not a fish producing state in India? Options are A. Kerala, B. Maharashtra, C. West Bengal, and D. Punjab. Right answer of this question is Punjab. Fourth, the experiment of milk cooperatives was started in the state of. Options are A. Punjab, B. Haryana, C. Gujarat, and D. Maharashtra. Answer of this question is Gujarat. Fifth, all persons in a country who are able and willing to work at the existing wage rate are a part of. Options are A. Workforce, B. Labor force, C. Unemployed, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is labor force. Sixth, workforce refers to that part of. Options are A. Labor force that is employed, B. Labor force that is unemployed, C. Population which is unemployed, and D. Population which is forced to work. Right answer of this question is labor force that is employed. Seventh, the ratio of labor force to total population is termed as. Options are A. Workforce, B. Workforce participation rate, C. Labor force participation rate, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is labor force participation rate. Eighth, unemployed people are calculated as. Options are A. Labor force minus workforce, B. Workforce minus labor force, C. Labor force plus workforce, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is labor force minus workforce. Ninth, an arrangement in which a worker uses his own resources to make a living is called. Options are A. Wage employment, B. Self-employment, C. Contractual employment, and D. Regular employment. Right answer of this question is self-employment. 10th, which concept of unemployment considers the activity status of a person for each day? Options are A. Current daily status, B. Usual status, C. Usual principal and subsidiary status, and D. Current weekly status. Right answer of this question is current daily status. 11th, electricity, gas and water supply comes under. Options are A. Primary sector, B. Secondary sector, C. Tertiary sector, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is secondary sector. 12. Which is the main type of unemployment in rural areas for men and women? Options are A. Disguised unemployment, B. Cyclical unemployment, C. Structural unemployment, and D. None of these. Right answer of this question is disguised unemployment. 13th, unemployment that occurs in certain season is known as. Options are A. Open unemployment, B. Disguised unemployment, C. Seasonal unemployment, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is seasonal unemployment. 14th, unemployment refers to people A. who are not willing to work, B. who are able and willing to work but do not get work, C. who are dismissed from work because of wrong practices, and D. who leave the job to get a new and better job. Right answer of this question is B. who are able and willing to work but do not get work. 15th, disguised unemployment refers to. Options are A. persons with no jobs, B. people who are not willing to work, C. educated unemployment, and D. more persons employed for a job which can be accomplished by fewer people. Right answer of this question is option D. more persons employed for a job which can be accomplished by fewer people. 16th, seasonal unemployment is found in. Options are A. agriculture, B. manufacturing, C. banking industry, and D. medical services. Right answer of this question is agriculture. 17th, what is the full form of NSSO? Options are A. National Survey Sample Office, B. National School of Statistics Organization, C. National Sample Survey Office, and D. none of these. Right answer of this question is C. National Sample Survey Office. 18th, economics define unemployed person as the one who is not able to get employment of even dash in a day. Options are A. 1, B. less than 5, C. no such definition exists, and D. minimum 2. Right answer of this question is 1. 19th, name the type of unemployment where the skill of the worker becomes incompatible with the new techniques of production. Options are A. cyclical unemployment, B. disguised unemployment, C. structural unemployment, and D. none of these. Right answer of this question is structural unemployment. And question number 20. A credit provision by the SHG is known as. Options are A. macro credit programs, B. micro credit programs, C. special credit programs, and D. none of these. Right answer of this question is micro credit programs. I hope you really like this video. Please comment, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.